So I travel a lot in my RV, and I wanted to run a little test to see if I could get Starlink signal inside of my camper, because sometimes I don't want to leave it outside. And it turns out I can. It's not the strongest signal, and I was only able to do it on this window using this trio mount that I found online that uses some pretty high-powered suction cups to stick to the window. I first tried doing it on the windshield here, which is, like most RVs, angled somewhat vertically. This one is even pointed down a little bit, so I think, you know, the signal blasting into that hill down the street didn't quite work. I was able to get like an absolute trickle on this side, but over here I was able to get some actual usable signal, and yeah, I was honestly not expecting that. I thought I would not be able to get anything inside, but turns out you can. Although, gotta say, if you can do it outside, you're gonna get a lot better of a signal. As you can see here, this is what I'm getting right now. Outside, I was able to get about 165 download and about 35 upload. I will say that it was a little bit challenging to get it. At first, it didn't want to connect, so what I did was I brought it outside the window, held it, and calibrated it there, and then brought it inside, and after I did that, it worked. Again, not the fastest right there, but it works, and could work in a pinch. Just to contrast what I was doing in the RV, here is the Starlink Mini mounted in my Prius. It's harder to do this in RVs. It's harder to find a glass surface like this. Some people have sunroofs, that's ideal. But just to show you what kind of speeds I'm getting, it's quite a bit better than what I was getting in the RV. So you really want to try to have it mounted in a way that it's pointed up. And there you have it.